Hello YouTube, I'm Lego Tower Soldier and I made a base for my 90 subscribers, but first I have a special guest here, Rocky7253. Do you want to tell something?
Hey guys, it's me, Rocky7253 here. So subscribe to Lego Boy or Lego Star Wars Soldier. Subscribe to me and I'll be making a 100 subscribers mock or video. And I have another base entry to Lego Star Wars Soldiers base contest. So yeah, subscribe to Lego Star Wars Soldier. See you guys later.
Okay, you have to subscribe to me and subscribe to Rocky7253. And now on to the base. It's big. So yeah, I have a trooper with a sniper, another here. I have these custom bazookas, 3 of them, and there with pistols, custom. I have 3 World War guys with custom guns. I have these gun racks, seats, these box things. I have stairs, and here I have a speeder, a clone trooper, my custom soldier, a clone trooper. I have 2 custom troopers here. I have Anakin, Obi-Wan, and Tyson talking. I have 2 of my custom clone troopers, 2 RF troopers, and 1 trooper with a rocket launcher, and the turret. I have the double turret here, always. Oh yeah, and this 2 floors, and it's cool. I have stairs here, this bridge. I have these 2x4 walls, this wall here, this, and same on the other side. I have these things here. So yeah, this is my base, and thank you for my 90 subscribers. Thank you all. Yeah, and it's quiet because it's almost 12 o'clock here. So yeah, the base is very cool. I like it. I have this big base plate here. So yeah. So Leo, do you have some words for the end?
Guys, subscribe to Lego Star Wars Soldier and Sweet Andrews Films. I might be making a few more videos on stop motion. And subscribe to Lego Star Wars Soldier. See you guys.
So yeah, and please write, comment and subscribe. Subscribe to me and to Rocky7253. Bye.